All right, in this video, we are going to be calculating the area of a triangle using Python. So let's get started. So right off the bat, how do we calculate the area of a triangle? Well, formula we're all probably fairly familiar with is the 1/2 times base times height, or sometimes you'll see base times height divided by 2, but same general idea. And so how are we going to put this into Python? Well, there's a couple ways we can do it. First, let's define what our base would be. And we want to create a program that allows us to be a little more fluid. So we don't want to hard code the base into it. So what we're going to do is we're actually utilize the input system that is used within Python. So what this does is it basically allows you to enter some text. And then when you run the code, you'll see it pops up that it wants us to now input the data. So if I put in 10, my B will then be assigned to 10. Cool, makes sense? So what we're going to do is we're going to do that for our base. We're also going to do that for our height. So we're going to set it as an integer. We're going to use the input system. So input the height. Okay, perfect. So we're going to have these two that are going to run. They're going to ask for our base and our height, which is great. Also, what we want to do is then but we want to create our area function. So as we mentioned before, the area is equal to 1/2 times the base times height. So in this case, we're going to have our area, we're going to have our base, we're going to times it by our height, okay? And we're going to divide that by 2, okay? And then after we run that, we actually want to print out what we get. So we're going to print our area, okay? Area equals, and we're also going to take in our area. Perfect. And so let's run this. So we're going to input the base. Let's say the base is 4. Input the height. We're going to say 5. Therefore, the area of this triangle is 10. So let's make sure that makes sense. So 4 times 5 is 20. Divided by 2 is 10.